Well, well, well. What do we have here? The Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. What's going on, everybody? Happy launch day for the S26 series. You already know your boy got the phone early and we already did an unboxing of this phone. Take a look at that. Ooh, that violet. Anyway, we got a new star of the show today, and that's the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. We're going to jump right into this, unbox these bad boys, and see the new design, because as you can tell, there is a new design. No more blade light or any of that stuff. There is a new design here. So, like I said, without further ado, let's just jump right in and take a look at the box. $249 right there. Says it right there. We got Buds 4 Pro on the side. And then we got our warning label here. This is what I always find funny. Like, look at this little, like, blue circle here. Like, let me just see if I can get an up close one. But like, look, he's literally like holding the box over his head. He's like, oh, you can't get me. But anyway, I was looking at that and that's what I was thinking in my head. But here we go, the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. We're just gonna get right into this. One good peel, two good peels, and we got it open. Gonna put these to the side here. Crack the box open, see what we have inside. Now, I unfortunately don't have my Buds 3 Pro anymore, so I can't really do a comparison. Oh my, Samsung, why is it so sticky on the bottom? All right, all right. Here we are. And one thing I did want to say, you know, kind of my initial observation, there's no like texturing on the box. The box is just really smooth, but there's no like texture or anything, which I thought there was gonna be a little texturing on the Buds. Anyway. Here we go, the Buds 4 Pro, all new design. There's nothing here, was there anything? Oh yeah. So I'm assuming in here, we have the non-important like booklets, the cable. I wonder if there's a cable in here actually. Wow, there is no cable in here. Oh wait, no, this is important. Maybe we should open this. So I don't see a cable in here. That's really interesting. I always thought, let me know down in the comments below. I'm pretty sure when the Buds 3 Pros came out, like they came with the cable. Oh my, no, you know what, we're doing that later. All right. So here, let's go ahead and open these up. It's gonna be our different sizings for the ear tips. So we have 4 different sizes, it looks like. I'm assuming including 5 with the ones on here. We're gonna go ahead and close it up and set that off to the side, because that's not important. What's important is this guy. Get a little peel. All right, whatever, we're gonna tear it up. And here they are. Take a look at those guys. Let's get some up close shots here. Ooh, we got an all new design here, all new design. Front, we got Samsung. We have the little light indicator in the front. Love to see it. I like this design. I like how the top is like transparent. That looks super cool. I like that design, Samsung. We got the USB-C, and thank God we have a physical button for pairing. I'm not the biggest fan of the haptic button that's like on the new AirPods. I like to see that physical button though. Thank you, Samsung. Thank you. Nice transparent front cover. Ooh, that's a firm case. The hinge of this case feels way sturdier than the Buds 3 Pro. That definitely does. Okay. Let's take these earbuds out and take a closer look at that new design, new stem design. Take a look at that. New stem design. Buds 4 Pro right here. That just, that sounds firm, Samsung, okay. But there we have it, guys. This was the quick little unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Just take a look at these bad boys. Looking nice. Let me know what you guys think. I do miss the blade light design from the 3 Pro, but this design's still nice. I think it's nice. That's gonna pretty much wrap up this video, guys. Ooh, let's get those open. Look at that, those beauts. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Let me know down in the comments below. Did any of you guys pick these earbuds up? Have you tested them? Do you like them? I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts. That's going to pretty much wrap up this unboxing. Thank you guys, as always, for tuning in, and I'll catch y'all in the next YouTube video.